2022. Yes, that's right. Another Christmas on the road for Joss and Devang. Hey guys, do you ever wonder how you can power your batteries and fridges and stuff while you're on the road? Because you definitely need a fridge if you're going to do the caravan life. Well, I'll let you in on a little secret. So there are powered sites at campsites throughout the journey. And this particular site has outputs here for electricity. This is our electrical extension cord, and then that is connected to another extension cord to make it longer, which is then connected to our fridge. So last night our fridge was not on, which is kind of how it has to be because otherwise the battery would be drained. So now our fridge is starting to get colder, and then we also have our battery, which is connected to our solar panel. So the solar panel charges the battery, but it's a very slow process. When I first bought this solar panel, I thought, oh great, like an hour or two a day, that'll charge the whole battery for the day. No, it's a constant process of getting the panel out, charging, moving to the next place, charging every chance you get, put it in the sun, charge that battery, because that battery is charging your fridge, until today where we actually have a powered source, which is really good, nice little Christmas treat.
हमने ये लगा तो दिया, but we haven't asked for the permissions yet. So Joslyn's gonna go and ask for permission. Boys, boys, boys! कब पहुँचे थे यार आपको? कहाँ थे हर रात को? मैं इतना कोस रहा था कि भाइयों वेट पूरा हुआ, ये आ गए यार ये लोग आ गए. A lot is happening. देखो यार हमारा setup, this is how actually things are. अभी just मैंने अपनी cleaning करी and now Keith is on it. Breakfast का ये actually कल रात का अपना dishes clean कर रहे हैं, and that's their setup. So these guys are fucking traveling with their bicycles. Look at those two bicycles. अपने पीछे लगा रखा था. ओहो, या तो फुटबॉल भी आ रखी है, तो फुटबॉल ही आ रखी है. गाइस ये क्या आ गया मेरे पैरों में? ओहो. This is Christmas with friends. What else it is, है ना? I happen to say यार, it's out of nowhere, wilderness का complete एहसास. We might change our location from this point to that point. यार वहाँ पे थोड़ा shade है. It's an interesting place.
I remember that one time where snowfall and
Oh fuck, guys. Did you know about it?
There's a snake.
Did you leave it there?
Seriously? Do you think I'm 5?
I didn't leave it there.
I did. We left it there.
I was like,
yes, we got one person. That is good. That's our goal. So.
No, I mean I didn't freak out. I was like, he is stepping there. Does he know?
So you thought it was real?
I had to take at least 10 seconds to analyze it.
Yeah.
But its face is plastic.
Oh, he keeps scaring people so much. It lives in our house from like since 2014. So throw at someone.
This is one time I woke up, went to the toilet at 4 in the morning in the house, stepped in, switched on the light, it's right there. I was like, shit. Woke me up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Right, yeah.
सेटअप रेडी हो गया गाड़ी, पूरा सेटअप है ये. देखो ये आउटडोर है सारे मिलके.
So every car has like wow.
run in the shadows.
Thank you for the meal.
You're very welcome. I didn't do it alone though. I had my amazing assistant, my sous chef.
Ah.
Heat. He doesn't like olives though, so I can't 100% suggest him to anyone for any job as a sous chef, because if you don't like olives, you're a little bit hopeless in life. But I still think it's gonna be good.
तो यार गाइस बढ़िया हमारे स्पोर्ट्स रोड चल रहे हैं आज पूरा दिन चंडीगढ़। तो आपको एक चीज़ दिखाई थी विच इज़ हाउ गीत एंड भानु स्लीप। देखो यहाँ तो उनका पूरा सामान है, all the essential that they need for this entire trip is sitting here. It will be cooking, all sort of gear. उसमें PFD भी लेके आया है, helmet is also there. So you can understand how we outdoorsy people are kind of prepared all the time. और उनके छत में है यार उनका tent. So this is something that many Australians would have on their car. So एक kind of ना rooftop tent है. देखो गाइस वो सीढ़ी आ गई और ये खींच दिया इसने। There we go. वाह वाह देखो यार सही इंतजाम।
We call it murphy.
I haven't.
Oh, this chitare one? This bakarodi? Should take bakarodi out as well. Okay.
Was there something in Marathi? Teach us some Marathi, no?
Marathi?
I don't even know it.
Bro, you want to learn sewer language? Sewer rats language?
What is this fanciness?
I know, right? What the fuck? It's so bad.
This much of cardboard for that. If I go in my street around
This
my
is
car
also
now,
a good chakna, bhai. This is a good chakna. And have it, don't have it like together. Have very little by little.
So what is it called?
Chakli.
Chakli. Nice, nice. OG style.
Oh, no. I always cook like that.
Huh?
So you let it steam.
Use less gas.
Hmm.
What do you guys want to cook next? Are you doing the dal or should I do the beans?
You can do the beans. Because if you get hungry.
Oh, this is good to give me a food, good food coma.
Well done.
Thank you.
Let's begin.
Crisp.
7:30 मेरी घड़ी के हिसाब से। और आज का ब्रेकफास्ट इज बाय भानु, द रेसिपी बाय Geet's recipes, Bhanu's art of cooking, and this is what it's look like. This is by Joslyn. Thank you Bhanu, thank you for the food.
My pleasure.
हम लोगों ने ऑनिंग वॉनिंग निकाल दी अपनी। These guys are gonna hit Norseman today.
Okay guys, until next time.
yeah, come on. Our house is already we never lost our house.
Yeah, we never. Like if you are around and if it is after 10, we will be there. But if you are coming after that and you won't be there, you can go now. So there are no keys. If there are keys, we don't care. It's hidden.
Day 5 and day 6 guys, and now हम इनसे फिर से मिलेंगे once we are in Eldon. I'm gonna show you what Eldon like. It's a vibe on the road.